Alright, this time we're going to construct Lewis dot diagram of a bit complex ionic compound, aluminium and oxygen. First of all, we're going to locate those two elements in the periodic table. Aluminium belongs in the group number 13. That means it has 3 valence electrons. On the other hand, oxygen belongs in the group number 16. Thus, it has 6 valence electrons. Thus, aluminium symbol first, then 3 valence electrons, do the same except 6 electrons for the oxygen. Aluminium ion is a cation, so you're gonna lose 3 electrons. On the other hand, oxygen will gain 2 electrons because oxygen ion is an anion. That means 2 of the valence electrons used to belong in aluminium will migrate to oxygen. Now, as you can see, oxygen ion is happy. It gained 2 electrons, so octet rule is satisfied. Now, what about aluminium? Right now, we have 1 electron that should go somewhere. This is where we're going to put a pause button and going to ask ourselves, how can I know which atom goes at the center? Because right now, aluminium and oxygen, if I have it side by side, I face the dilemma. I'll give you a tip. Let's write down aluminium oxide in chemical formula. In aluminium oxide, I'm going to focus on oxygen. Because oxygen has more numbers, they tend to avoid being at the center. Remember, ionic compound looks like choo-choo train that has a bunch of different compartments and it has a repeating pattern. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw 3 oxygen anions, followed by I'm going to draw 2 aluminium cation. Make sure that cation has no electrons inside and anion has all 8 electrons inside. Remember, different signs attract, same signs repel. So if we put oxygen first, followed by aluminium, you will have this pattern. You notice that oxygen and aluminium, followed by oxygen, aluminium, and ended with oxygen. Because aluminiums are inside, sandwiched by oxygens, these 3 electrons that migrate from aluminium make sense. 2 of them will go one side, 1 of them will go to another. In 3D model, it will look like this, where blue touches red and red touches blue. In reality, ionic compound is crystalline structured. So that means aluminium oxides are continuously repeating, as you can see in this diagram. In 3-dimensional structure, basically negative ion, positive ions are continuously alternating horizontally and vertically. Here is the series of steps that you can use whenever you encounter a complex ionic compound and you gotta use Lewis dot diagram.
If you know, you know.